Hello Pips, hello, how are you? Yes, excited? I am! It's the beginning of your new week and the end of the month, and it's full moon tonight. How much power, energy that's gonna give us? It's amazing. I love full nights, although I don't love those awakening nights where I wake up in the middle of the night and my brain is just downloading all those energy and all those ideas. But I've been told I need to make sure that I just capture all that intuition that is coming to me during the middle of the night. So if that's you as well, take it easy, just write things down and then try to go back to sleep. Write things down and then, that's what the full moon does to you. It's full of energy, full of power. So if you can tonight, go outside and, sit under the moon a little bit and get that energy in your body. Okay, today I'm continuing my kind of business Feng Shui live with you, and I wanted to share with you another really massive principles of Feng Shui. Yes, so we talked about the Qi, we talked about the Yin and Yang, we talked about the 5 elements, we talked about the commanding position last week. So if you haven't watched those videos and you're like, what is Claire on about? Go and watch the videos either underneath or my website. I've got them all under my blog post area. I've got all the videos or on my YouTube channels or anywhere you want, because I've shared them everywhere. So, let's do that. We can do that. Today, one of the biggest principles, and I'm sure you've heard of that because this is what most of people know when we talk about Feng Shui, is the Bagua. Yes, the Bagua, that's kind of TikTok grid, which determine 9 areas of your life. So I'm going to give you some of the details of what they are and how can you actually use it. Can you use that in your home office, in your home? What does that mean for you? So you can be more productive, you can, have more profitability and peace of mind and, that kind of feeling of feeling so good. Okay, so they are TikTok grid. Okay, you can start by doing 2 vertical and 2 horizontal lines, and then right in the middle it's you. So it's all about you, it's all about your health, it's who you are, what am I, who am I, and how am I feeling. This is the area where we want to keep things really clean and really space. That yellow color is really good inside, full of shine and color, kinds of make you feel very, very good and very happy. So the each of the Bagua I've got numbers as well. So this is number 5 in the Bagua, and this is where the earth element is. So it's all about grounding, it's all about you as a person, your roots, your things like that. So we want to really kind of keep that nice and healthy in your space, right? Then we gonna go down to here, which is the career area. So this is kind of really when you're looking at the Bagua itself, so depending on the schools that you're using, but for me I always use, this is where we start the Qi, the entrance. When we're looking at a house, we would place the Bagua starting from here. So your front door or your office door may be here, here or here, depending on where it is, when you're coming in, and then you're placing the Bagua in that space like this. Okay, so your career area, it's it's everything in your journey. It's what is it that you want to do, what you're inspired to do, where do you want to go, what are the things that you need to get that career, that new job, those things, what is it that you want to achieve. And because we talk about career, we talk about water, this is a great element. So anything black, dark blue, those kind of water elements you see in Chinese restaurants, they always have a fish tank at the entrance, because that's the career. We want to bring that prosperity, and that's what water will do. Then we're going to self-development, self-development, so personal self-development. What do you want to achieve? What do you need to read? Some books, you may have some courses, you may have some mentors, some people who are actually, you know, really kind of here and helping you. Are you looking for a new coach? Are you looking for somebody to support you, teach you, learn some new things? What is it that you want to achieve in that area? And this is an area where you have a lot of mountain earth, so it's kind of like big yang earth element. The mountain is the earth element, so we want to have some blues colors, really kind of dark blue colors in that element, and purpley kind of colors as well, you know, that kind of color, maroons, that kind of colors in there. We're going up and we're going towards the family and ancestors. So our family and ancestors area. This is our day-to-day family, right? So if you're looking, for example, for more money to pay for your rent or for your mortgage, this is where you'll want to add some of that element into it. This is where you have your ancestors who are supporting you. You know, those are your roots. So we think about growing. So it's all about the wood and growth, you know. So we want to have a lot of green and growth, greenery going up towards the sky and shining, but down also in the roots on the ground, and really kind of grounding yourself. Who are those people around you that you always kind of ask questions to? They may not be here anymore, but they'll still be listening and they'll still be giving you some ideas. So look at the family and ancestors area if you want to improve some support. The top left hand side is our prosperity corner. Oh yes, we all want prosperity, don't we? Yes, that prosperity and wealth, you know. So if you're walking in somewhere, top left hand side corner, this is the prosperity corner. You want to have some really gorgeous kind of purpley color reminding you of money, the green of the dollars, you know, that kind of wealth. You can add some gold, you know, for all the gold and, you know, golden coins and all that kind of things. You could have 4 gloves truffle, 4 gloves sleeves, so 4 leaves gloves. Anything that reminds you of prosperity and wealth, this is where you'll add on some cures to get you shining and going and more prosperous and magnets of the money. Middle top of the Bagua, you've got your fame and reputation. So this is the area of fire. This is the area where you want to add some red and some colors and some triangles, some stuff that are going to go up and really kind of bring you some fame. What are you trying to achieve? Do you want to win an award? Do you want to actually be on stage? Do you want to be, you know, given a special, I don't know, you know, special recommendations? Anything to do with your fame and reputation will be here, and this is where you'll want to add some intentions into that area. Then we go on to, oh yes, this is our love corner. Yeah, you know that, love corner. It is the love and relationship Bagua, top right hand side of your space or environment. And this is where we want to have things with twos, right? We talk about relationships, so we want 2 things together, you know. So, you know, having one woman in that corner isn't going to be bringing you much luck, ladies. You need to have 2 together. It could be 2 birds, it could be 2 stones, it could be 2 candles. Let's just bring 2 in that corner. It's all the pinks, it's all the peaches color. It's that kind of area where you can add some of those elements here, and it's the earth area, so it's that grounding, really kind of important. So if you want to spice up your life, if you're married and you want to add a little bit of spice in there, you could add some pimentos in there perhaps. Whoa, you know, we never know, you know, what we want to do. But this could be also relationship with work, right? It could be a relationship, you know, that you want to create a new relationship at work. This would be a great area to actually put your intentions, and you're looking for new clients. Yes, we all want new clients, or we want to nurture our relationship with our clients. So who do we want to nurture those relationships? Do you need new collaborations? Those are the kind of things that you could be adding in that area. Now we're going down to creativity, joy, children. You know, we all want that space where we have fun and we really enjoy our life. It's also the beginning of things. So we talk about babies here. So if you're looking at, you know, getting pregnant, this would be the areas that you'd be looking at. But it's also beginning of new projects. So the beginning of it. What are you trying to achieve? What is that thing? Do you want to start a new book? Is there a new project that you've got in mind? You know, is it that you're looking? This is where you're going to be adding some stuff here to make this happen, right? Love it. It's all about the metal here. So it's a space where you'll have metal balls, you know, you'll have round things. It'll be great to have, you know, for example, a bowl, and then you could put all kind of little names of people in there, you know, things, the beginning of your project you could start. Last but not least, our helpful and travel corner, right down below on the right hand side. Okay, so travel has been a little bit of a problem for all of us this year, I have to say. However, when I think about it, I've been traveling more over the last 12 months than what I have ever done. I can be in the States, I can be in Canada, the next minute I'm in China, the next minute I'm in the Philippines, and Australia this morning. You could be anywhere. So, you know, use that area, get your traveling books here, get some maps of the world here. Where do you want to travel? Where do you want to go? And who are the people that you need to help you with your business, to help you with your life? You know, who are the people that you want surrounding yourself to help you thrive in your business? Metal element here as well, and it's the number 6 here. So anything to do with metal, anything grey, anything white, anything metally. I got you there, didn't I? Yes, metally. Okay, so this is the Bagua in a quick little version of it. But if you want to have a longer version, more explanations, how can you really use them all specifically in all your areas, whether it's home office or whether it's in your home itself, join me Thursday. Yes, Thursday, I've got a webinar on Thursday. It's going to be super cool. It's at 4 p.m. British Summertime BST, and you can join me. There's still some spaces, so click on the link below and then you'll get it. And yeah, then Thursday we're going to talk more about the Bagua, go into much deeper, you know, relationship with every areas. We'll talk about essential oils and how it connects you with your emotional connections. We're going to talk about creating a vision board with the Bagua. It's really cool. You're going to love it. So join me there. Otherwise, I'll see you next week, next Monday for another live. And if you have any questions, you know where I am. Speak to you soon. Bye for now. Bye.